to always open new messages and play a sound for a new message on the linkedin.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, go to your home page, and then tap on this messaging button in the right side corner at the bottom. Click on this more button next to the messaging title and click on messaging settings. So here you can turn on this first option, always open new messages, by tapping on this button. And if you would like to turn on the second option, play sound for new messages, click on the same button again below the first one. So these two features have been enabled in the messaging settings section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.